So, do you ever get one of these where it's, it's not so much like here or even here, but right here. Oh. CRM, what does that mean? Well, I'll tell you. It's customer-related migraines. So it's all the hassle of dealing with your customers and all the requests and... What? So I've just been informed that CRM actually stands for Customer Relationship Management, which makes a little more sense now that I think about it. What is the biggest benefit that a CRM can give you and your business? Well, number one is data. Your ability to track, to know who your customers are, to know what invoicing is, and depending on how you use it and integrate it, what has been sold, how your sales guys use it. I mean, think of all the information that you gather and can gather as a company. Maybe you don't, and all of a sudden it's at your fingertips. So what is the downside of a CRM? Well, it's data. There's so much information to keep track of. There's a lot of work that goes into it, because just because you have the information doesn't mean that it's suddenly being put to use. And for some of these types of apps and softwares, to get started, you can't just like, oh, I'm just going to start it today. There's kind of an onboarding process and some training and potentially even some change in how your company manages its workflow, its sales flow, etc. But at the end of the day, is it worth it? Well, ask yourself, do I want to know what my customers have bought? Do I want to know the different points of contact that they've made with my sales team, or what they've purchased, or what our marketing strategy has been, where it's going to, and on and on and on. The cool thing about most CRMs nowadays is that you can build it out with the kind of customization that you want, which also means you have to customize some of these things, but you can build it to your business. So it's what you need it to be for your business. So, while customers may sometimes give you headaches, not all of them, a CRM is going to help actually reduce those headaches and make it much more manageable. So sometimes customers can be a source of a slight headache, but you can really get a good aspirin in a customer relationship management tool. So I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.